Welcome to Gold Leaf Table, where I turn food into luxurious masterpieces. Today, we're diving into the world of opulence with a dessert that not only tastes divine but also looks like a piece of art. If you're looking to impress your guests or simply indulge in something extraordinary, this recipe is for you. Today, I'm making an exquisite golden chocolate mousse that's perfect for any special occasion. This dessert combines the rich, velvety texture of chocolate mousse with the dazzling elegance of edible gold leaf. It's a showstopper that will leave everyone in awe. Here are the ingredients you'll need to create this stunning golden dessert. Each component has been carefully selected to ensure the highest quality and the most luxurious experience. 200 grams of dark chocolate, preferably with a high cocoa content for that intense, rich flavor. 200 milliliters of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, which will add just the right amount of sweetness, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavors, and some edible gold leaf for decoration. The gold leaf is what will give our mousse that luxurious golden touch. Start by gently melting 200 grams of dark chocolate over a double boiler until smooth. Make sure to stir continuously to avoid burning the chocolate. This step is crucial as it forms the base of our mousse. Next, whip 200 milliliters of heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla until soft peaks form. The cream should be light and airy, providing the perfect contrast to the rich chocolate. Now, gently fold the melted chocolate into the whipped cream to create a light, airy mousse. Be careful not to overmix as we want to maintain the mousse's delicate texture. Spoon the mousse into glasses and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours until set. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld together and the mousse to firm up to the perfect consistency. For the final touch, gently place edible gold leaf on top of each mousse for that signature luxurious look. The gold leaf not only adds a visual wow factor but also a touch of sophistication, and there you have it, a stunning golden chocolate mousse perfect for impressing your guests. This dessert is not just about taste, it's about creating an experience, a moment of indulgence that will be remembered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more luxurious recipes. Your support helps us bring more exquisite dishes to your table. Until next time, keep cooking with style and elegance.